Wow. So this is literally just balance in my art box right now.
We seem to have done something wrong.
Hello everybody and welcome to another video. So as you can see by this little mess here, we're going to be doing some artwork today. So I've actually already done the artwork and I filmed it all for you, but because it was such a long process, it's going to be all in fast motion and I'm going to be talking over it so you can know what we're doing today. But let me explain. So I've never been really good at doing my nails. I've looked at all the Instagram accounts, all the YouTube accounts of people doing their nails. Christine, please teach me. But I've never been able to paint my nails. I mean, I'm going to say I'm pretty good at art. I'll say pretty okay based on how these turned out. But I thought that if I want good nails, maybe I should try paint ones that aren't my own. So what I did was I bought some fake nails and I blue tacked them to this box and I painted them and did some little designs on them, and I think they turned out a little bit okay. I had to use a very small brush and it took a very long time, but we're here finally. So right now I'm going to be doing the application of the nails, and then I'm going to be wearing them for as long as possible and documenting how they go. So now we're going to go into the process of making the nails, well, painting the nails, and it's all in fast motion so you guys aren't sitting here for an hour or more. So right now we're just going to jump cut to that.
So I had previously painted these nails with a couple of coats of white nail polish. Then I went and just labelled each nail with what they were going to be after looking at some designs on Pinterest, just so I wouldn't have to keep referring back to my phone and I would know what each one was going to be. Once we had finished the labelling, we started with just some acrylic paint and water. Though as you can see, because the nail polish has a glossy finish, the water just kept blending into each other and the colours kept changing. So what I did was just wiped it all off and started again with a new white base coat of just using the acrylic paint. This helped to give a matte finish and stop the paint from blending into each other. I also started by using just a thicker amount of paint and then going in with a clean brush and dabbing it out through the middle to give that sort of hard edge effect but still showing the watercolour. So as you can see, I went back to the nails multiple times before I was happy with the final product, so you can just keep adding water and paint as much as you like to get your required finish. So now I started painting the animals. You can paint anything that you really wanted to, but this is what I thought was really cool. They're like geometric animals. So you just start painting with a really thin brush and some black acrylic paint. You can use any paint that you want, but this is just the paint that I had and the paint that I think goes really well. Unfortunately, my camera stopped working halfway through doing the fox, so I just finished off that hand and started on the next one. You guys know where it was going, so you'll be able to see the finished product at the end, but I thought I'd just move on to the next hand and you guys will be able to see that one. Doing the same thing, just taking some acrylic paint and some water. You guys have already seen this, so I'm just going to do it in double time. Also make sure that all your paint is dry before you start doing the black, or else the black is just going to fade into the watercolours and you're just going to end up with a grey, discoloured mess on your nails. One thing I would say to keep an eye out for is just to make sure all your pictures are to scale. Because I was freehanding them off a reference, some of them ended up coming a little bit off the nail, but you can kind of make it work if you plan ahead. And there you have it, your beautifully designed nails.
And welcome back. I know that was a really long time. and watching all the nails, but now you see what I've done, and I have the nails right here. I've never applied fake nails before, so I did put a clear coat of nail varnish on just so it didn't destroy the top layer of my nails, even though I know it's going to anyway. It didn't come with instructions on how to put this on, it just came with the glue and the nails, so we're just gonna get right down to it. I just cut the tip off. Okay, we got it. So the glue was actually dried into the top. Oh, that's a lot of glue. Grab the nail and push it down. Well, that's on there now. Nail number 1. Right, let's go on a roll. Right, yeah, I don't have anything really to say until they're all stuck on, so we're just gonna fast through the rest. And they're complete.
We had our first casualty, and it's only been 3 hours. I've put back on, just finished work, and I've come home, and it's been a very, very long day, and I lost a lot of nails. Unfortunately, I lost exactly half my nails. So obviously this didn't work very well. It's only like 1 o'clock and I have already lost half of them. I was planning to do this for a week, but as you can see I can't, so I think that a day was good to wrap it up. I mean, yeah, let's just review the nails. So I think the nails are really good, they're really sturdy. I think it was just the glue and the type of job I do because I work in a restaurant. I also put a base coat down as well, which could have messed with how it stuck to my nail, but I mean, I'm glad I put a base coat down because otherwise the top layer of my nail would be completely destroyed, considering how I broke all these nails off. So I just realised I filmed that entire thing the wrong way. I'm not going to refilm it, you're just going to get like a nice sort of Snapchat angle. I'm just going to finish this video off a little bit vloggy style. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like these videos and all the videos that I do, then please subscribe. When you subscribe, if you could please just hit that bell notification icon so you get a notification every time I post. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!